Hi, I am so excited to share a new nonfiction book with you this week. Now, think about the night sky. When you think of the night sky, what do you see? One of my favorite things to look at in the night sky is the moon. Do you enjoy looking at the moon? Now, I want you to wonder about the moon. What do you wonder about the moon? Hmm. I wonder what the moon is made of. I wonder, why does it look like the moon changes shape from one night to the next? I wonder, is it possible to visit the moon? Well, whoever you're sitting with today, why don't you share some of the things you're wondering about the moon? And I am going to share with you this nonfiction book called The Moon and see if it answers any of your questions. Are you ready? This book is called The Moon, and it is by Martha E.H. Rusted. And this is one of those nonfiction books again. So, as you can imagine, there's our title page, and it comes with the table of contents. A shining light. The moon shines high above earth. It brightens the night sky. Brightens means to light up. It brightens the night sky. It's definitely making the nighttime a little brighter, isn't it? The moon is easy to find at night. Sometimes you can see the moon during the day. Did you know that? Have you ever seen it? The moon reflects the sun's light to earth. Reflects means it reflects the sunlight to earth. It means that it glows with the light from the sun so that it can be seen from the earth. So it's reflecting it. The moon reflects the sun's light to earth. The sunlight part of the moon seems to glow. So, does the moon make its own light? It said it reflects the light. Sometimes only part of the sunlight side of the moon faces Earth. Our view makes it seem like the moon changes shape. There it looks like we're only seeing maybe not quite half of the moon. This one says, what is the moon? The moon is Earth's satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around another object. The moon is the Earth's satellite. I made my arrow go the wrong way. So here's the Earth, and here's the moon traveling around it. It moves around Earth once every 28 days. The same side of the moon always faces the Earth. Earth spins once each day. The moon looks like it moves from east to west as the Earth spins. The moon is much smaller than Earth. About 50 moons could fit inside the Earth. So we would need 50 of the moons to fill up the inside of the Earth. The moon's surface. Craters dot the moon. Craters are holes made when something hits the surface of a planet or a moon. Craters dot the moon. These holes make the moon's surface rough. So you can see all those little, they look like little holes there. Those are actually craters where the moon has been hit by something. The moon is not like Earth. Gray dust and rocks cover the moon. The sky is always black. I was wondering what the moon was made of, and it says it's gray dust and rocks. So that answered one of my wonderings. What's something you learned about the moon from that book? I'm going to share that book again tomorrow, and we're going to see if we can answer a few more of those wonderings and look a little bit more at those nonfiction text features, things like labels or diagrams, and things that help us understand nonfiction just a little bit better when we read it. Maybe tonight or during the day, go out and see if you can find the moon. Happy looking!